Jesus is God, and Jesus is this man, and Jesus is the Holy Spirit, and Jesus is this, and Jesus is that. The doctors told you have a brain. Have you ever seen your brain? But you believe, yeah, that in your skull, inside your skull, that there's a brain. They told you have kidneys. Have you ever checked it? Somebody just traveled from another country here, and boom, she passed out. And boom, they rushed her to the hospital. And boom, when they did all the tests, everything, they've discovered that she's had only one kidney. She's in her 50s. She had only one kidney in her 50s. But if they said everybody have two kidneys, everybody have two kidneys, she too should have been saying, oh, I have two kidneys, I have two kidneys. But it was only one kidney that she had. And this was discovered in her 50s. Why? Because she passed out her home and they rushed her to the hospital. And the hospital trying to find out what is going